So today we will talk about POC for low code development. So I have gone through with many low code platforms where I have studied Corteza, which is open source, and it is good to create CRUD operation model, but it is not supporting the APIs, and it is not have a strong exposure to API. Then next we have a Power App. Power App actually a Microsoft product, and they have the licensing cost for that, but they are capable of creating good UI, as well as they have a strong API and integration platform support. Then next we have studied N8N. It is actually a workflow management system. It's kind of RPA system which is free of cost, but it is not supporting on creating any kind of UI. You have to use this application if you wanted to create any kind of workflow, or you do want to any kind of automation. The next is OutSystem. OutSystem, basically I found it very good, and it is very strong platform which supports UI development and rich UI development. Along with that, they are supporting the integration of the APIs also, but this application platform is very costly, but it is very good to use. Then we have next Budbase. Again, they are supporting UI, but the creation of the UI and the platform which is they have given to create the UI, it is very clumsy and very difficult for a layman to do that. If somebody is not trained, he cannot do UI creation in that. So I do not suggest Budbase. I can suggest Corteza. It is open source and it is very easy to use. And then next I can suggest OutSystem. So today we are going to create a use case which is showing on a screen for Corteza. I wanted to create an application where I can search, have a search screen. I can add the information. I can see the information in grid. So let's explore the Corteza workflow. Basically, Corteza also work based on the workflow which have three elements: module, page, and chart. Module is used to create the parameters which we want to see or show in the screen, where we create a module. Then we convert that module into page and we give the design for that, and we can create the chart option for dashboard or any kind of information which I have to show graphically. We can use the chart control for that purpose. Screen, I have opened the Corteza platform from it is a cloud based application where you can create your application for demo purpose, and they are providing the on premises server capability as well. So here I am doing a registration. I've already done the registration, and now I'm doing to login to the Corteza account. As you can see on screen, you can see multiple modules here which Corteza has created. So they have module like low code development, where you can do the development of low code. Apart from that, they have admin area from where you can control your roles and responsibilities. Then they have a workflow management, and they have their existing CRM application, and then service support solution application as well. So now we are going to click on low code icon, and we will see low code platform development in Corteza. So once you click on low code, you will see namespace. Basically, namespace is nothing but a application name. They have divided a application name as a namespace. Suppose you wanted to create any application like CRM, so they have to write a namespace as a CRM. Or you want to do create any application like control management system, you have to write a control management system. Here I am writing my POC application name, AMPOC, and then I am writing a short code name here. They are allowing you to facility of logo adding also. You can add a logo to your application, icon to application. Now I'm clicking on save and I'm closing it. Post you create your namespace, the next step is again you have to go to the namespace and search that. After searching a namespace, you have to visit a namespace. So once you click on visit namespace, it will create a complete model for you. It is basically divided in three parts. One is create model, the second one is make chart, and then third is build page. So we are going to start with create module section. So as you can see, after clicking on create module screen, you will see this information where you have a module name, handler name. So basically handler name is nothing but a class which is created by the Corteza itself. So we are going to write module name, which is our module name, account manager. Then we have to write the handler name as well, account master, but without putting any space here, because handler will not take any kind of space here. Then we have a next step to enter our field. These are the field which we require to enter for our form creation. Like suppose I wanted to have 4 fields in my form, so as you can see, I'm going to add all the fields as per our use case one by one. The first field I'm going to put, which is a name, and we are giving him the title as a name and type as a string, and we are putting as the required field. Then we are writing mobile number, our second field. Again we are putting a name, field name, mobile number, and the text will be a string, and it is a required field. Same way we are writing adding one more field, which is account type. In account type we are again giving the title, and the type we will be choosing a drop down. In a drop down, when we click on drop down, you will see multiple options here. In that we are now we need to have two account, like current account and saving account. So we are adding these 2 fields here in our drop down. So we have option to add the these options here, like key value pair information. So I'm adding current account and saving account information here. Post that, now I'm going to add one more field, which is your account number. So after adding account number, again I'm giving a title, a type to text and required field. Now I'm saving this application. So after saving this, you can see on a screen it is showing the this type of record, where you have a option called create record page. So I'm going to create a record page. Record page is nothing but a page where you can show your information after adding the records. So I'm clicking on the record page. So you will see this kind of page blocker, where you will see the view of your record page, account number, account type, model. You can design your record page according to your convenience. Now next option is your create page. So here I'm going to create a page which I wanted to show in a menu. So my account manager is nothing, the page I'm going to create. So in this page you can see we have a page title again. Then I'm going to write the page title for this account master, and again we have to copy same thing to handler as well. So you can see here the button called page visibility. You can show your page publicly or privately. This option is given here. So after doing all these things, we are going to click on page builder option. So page builder option basically give you the option to design your page according to a given templates. So I'm going to select a record list template. In this template there are 3 blocks: general, then record list. In record list I have to choose module, a module which I have created earlier for my account master page. So I'm choosing that module. Based on that, I can see all the fields information which I created, and there are some fields which is a system field as well, which will be required by Corteza database to maintain the records and everything. So after doing all these things, I have the option to add the new record. Then again we have other fields which is used for grid view, properties, perspective, and other information, like we wanted to show a paging, navigations and everything. It is given here in this single click. So now you can see that complete design came here on a page, and we can see the search option and the add option, everything is there. Now the next is we are going to see the page, how it looks. So when we click on the view page, you will see the option. Now you can see that clearly there's a menu called, now you can see clearly after viewing the page, you can see the menu count on top left side, and you have the search option and the grid view. So I'm going to add one record here, so we'll get more idea on that. So when you click on the add button, you are able to you will navigate to the page called add the record. So I'm adding a record here. After adding the records, I click on button called save. So once you save, you can see all the information which saved here. So again you click on the account menu. Once you click on the account menu, you will again be navigate back to the main screen, which is our account master screen. You can see the one record is already added here, and you can see option called edit at the right side. So it is very easy for a person who wanted to do a CRUD operation So I find this application very useful if you want have a basic workflow. So you can easily create your forms here, you can menus here, and there are many stuff to do here. You can create a chat even by using Corteza chat tool.